We're gonna hike up Gibbon River to Gibbon Falls.
I have to step on the screen. Okay, somebody made a little pit.
I see that little hot pot.
Can I do the water?
Let's go.
Close to the hot spring.
Come on. What's up, Shy?
Yeah, look, the gray.
Oh, I see. Oh, there's sheep. There's sheep. They're bighorn sheep.
Down here? Look at that. Why won't they drink out of the glacier lake?
Well, there must not be any around.
What?
Well, we finally saw some sheep.
Oh, Dad, you know it's that the kind? Two different colors.
Yep, keep walking.
Do you know it's a Shoshone sheep?
Oh, really?
They had some sheep.
Yeah, they did, didn't they?
It's like called the Shoshone.
Cool. Just keep going so we don't scare them.
But if there is, do they rather stay not by glacier lake?
Yeah, these ones must live down here somewhere. They must live in these woods, or maybe they just like this water. Remember, the sheep at Rocky Mountain would come down into that salt lick?
There's not one on Glacier Lake.
A mountain goat.
Mountain goat.
Oh no.
Huh?
More people are following us.
Yeah.
We got a ways to go still. Maybe they'll give up.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, can't go in that one.
Hurry up, girls. They're going to follow us if we don't lose them. They just go right across here.
See this one?
Where are you going, girl? All right, let's go swimming. Maisie, let's go in the water. Let's go. Woo! 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 Look, Maisie. Maisie. Woo! Go, Shiloh, go! Go, Shiloh, go! Woo! Go, Shiloh! Look! Oh, look!
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Maisie, where are you going? Oh, you pulled me in! Shiloh!
Oh, right down.
Trying to do off the camera.
Amen. The same log was here last time. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
let me see that again. Wow.
Hey, that's as red as my Swedish fish. Dad, it's just like this.
Just laying there.
Yeah.
Wow. I see some bighorn sheep. There's those sheep.
Dad, those are the same ones.
Yeah, they crossed the river, didn't they?
Or they jumped over it. Well, Dad, you just... Something told you that they're up there. Sitting.
Now we gotta sneak out, huh? Let me see you sneaking.
Didn't you say maybe purple?
Maybe. Alright, go ahead and start. Got it.
Third one.
Nice job.